Okay, let's get started. So today is 18th October topics. Okay, so today what we are going to do is download VMware workstation. Okay, point number 2 is download uh, Windows 10 Windows 10 ISO image file, right? So these are the things which we have to download. Now I see that you have already downloaded it. This is the one, right? VMware Workstation you downloaded, and you have downloaded Windows 10 ISO Pro, right? So these are the things which you have already downloaded. Now, in case if you would like to download next time, you can simply go to tinyurl.com/links for MECM. Okay, links for MECM. That's going to take you to this spreadsheet. And in this spreadsheet, if you go down till the bottom, you will see the links to download these applications. So VMware Workstation is this one, 124. This is the link to download VMware Workstation. Second, you can download 126 Windows 10 ISO Pro, right? So these are the things which you have already downloaded. So in case if you need to download it again, so here is the link available. Now, why we are doing Windows 10? Why not Windows 11? Because however, Windows 10 support is expired on 14th of October, 4 days
Mhm.
back.
Okay.
So Microsoft wants everyone to be on Windows 11. But there are some companies which are still on Windows 10, right? There are many companies all over the globe which are still using Windows 10. They have not yet upgraded to Windows 11. So what we would like to do, we would like to install Windows 10 first, and then we will see how to upgrade that machine from Windows 10 to Windows 11 in our Intune session. Okay,
Right.
that is the reason we are doing Windows 10 specifically, so that we will
Using
see
it using Intune, right?
yes, using Intune, so that we
Okay.
will see the method of upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11.
Right.
So download this. So let's go ahead and um, build a new machine. So we have already downloaded and you have installed this VMware workstation. Now we have to build a new Windows 10 machine. So in order to build Windows 10 machine, we have to follow some method to build a new machine. So let's click on File on the top left and then click on that. Let's click on File. Hmm, and then choose a new virtual machine. Now, before we do that, can you open system information in your computer? Click on search down at the bottom and type system information. Click on system information. So you got Windows 11 Pro operating system. Second, you have processor, 8 logical processor and 16 GB RAM you have. Okay, good. So you already have the requirement available. The configuration is available in your computer. Now, let's check how much space is remaining in C drive or D drive. So open a folder, File Explorer, and go to this PC. So you still have 214 gigabyte available. So you are all set. Okay. You are
Yeah.
all set. Now let's go back to VMware Workstation. Checker,
Yeah. Yeah.
and then click on Next.
Uh, Typical recommend setting.
Typical. Next.
Yeah.
Now choose this last option. The I will install the operating system later. Next. Now choose Windows 10, the second in the drop down. Second one. Choose Next. Now here you type in the name. So where are you located right now? Noida, right?
Noida. Yeah.
So in production environment, we give computer name with the city name first, then the type of computer. Just like I am in Mumbai, so whatever the computers which are there in Mumbai, it will start with MUM.
All
Okay,
right.
so the first three letters of the city, right? MUM. Then it is W. W means Windows, or L. L for Linux,
Right.
right? So I don't know what naming convention are you guys following in your organization, but this is how generally followed everywhere. So type in NOI, then WVM. VM. W means Windows, VM means virtual machine 001. Okay, so this is our first virtual machine.
Yeah.
Clear? Now
Yeah.
choose next.
Do I have to change the
Let's do one thing.
location?
Let's go to File Explorer and create a folder in C drive. Hmm.
That will be
Let's create a folder called Intune. New folder Intune. Inside this folder, create another folder called NOIWVM001 and uh, VM001. Double click on this folder and copy the path from the top. Copy and go back to the VMware workstation and paste it. Delete the below location. Delete everything and paste it. Next. Now give 80 GB hard disk, 80 gigabyte, 80, and then go next. And then choose finish. Now at the left hand side, you have edit virtual machine setting. Click on edit virtual machine setting or go to setting down at the bottom. Uh, Now we have to give 4 GB RAM to this machine. So click on 4 GB. Just click on 4 GB. Hmm. Now you need to attach the CD disk onto this computer. So CD drive, click on the CD drive and choose use ISO image file and then browse the CD which you downloaded, the ISO image file. Okay. Hmm. Then you need to click on options on the top left hand side, option. Now here we have shared folder which is disabled. So we would like to create one shared folder in this machine so that we will be able to do the file transfer from host machine to the virtual machine. So choose always enabled and then choose map as a network drive. And then choose add and choose the C drive, browse C Intune folder, C drive Intune folder. C drive below you have Intune. Just click on Intune. That's it. Click OK. So that folder will be shared in that computer. Okay. Next and finish. Second, you need to click on this access control, which is not encrypted. You need to encrypt this device. So choose encrypt and then type in password.
any password you need.
Any password to encrypt, but make a note of this password on that notepad. Click on encrypt. Hmm. Here hit enter a couple of times and type in VM encryption password. Virtual machine VM encryption password. Encryption password. Okay, so that is the password. Now scroll, minimize this notepad. Excuse me. Now click on encrypt. Now the last option is advanced. Click on advanced and choose. There is one thing selected already, and that is UEFI. That is already selected. Now just below that, you have enable secure boot. Check that box. That is going to help you to upgrade machine from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Okay.
Right.
Then you need to go to hardware. Okay. Here, hardware. And then in hardware, we have to add one hardware chip. And that is, I'm going to click on add and trusted platform module and finish. This will help us to enable the BitLocker on the device. Okay,
Right.
BitLocker. And then click on finish. I mean, okay. So what we did so far is we are going to point number 3 is build a new Windows 10 computer. Okay, Windows 10 computer, and it has to be Windows 10 um, because we would like to upgrade that machine from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Now let me just close this and close this. We just have that. Okay, now you see we will start the machine. The moment we start the machine here, you will
Mm-hmm.
get a message after few seconds. You will get a
Yeah.
message here that press any key to boot from CD DVD drive. That kind of
Right.
message you will get. The
Right.
moment you see that message, you need to use the mouse to click inside
Mm-hmm.
this black window, on the middle of
Right.
the black window somewhere,
Right.
and then press any key to boot from CD DVD.
Right.
So you have to do two things. First, you click using mouse, then keyboard.
Right. So I start doing this.
Hmm. So let's click on power on. Oh, there was a message. 1 minute. Okay, so the problem is Intel VTX is disabled in your computer. Is this a Lenovo or Dell or HP or what?
It is
Which
Lenovo.
Lenovo? Okay. So you have to go to the BIOS of your computer. Do you know the BIOS key? Mm, how to go, go to BIOS of a Lenovo laptop. This is a laptop, right?
Yeah.
Basically, I think it's F2 or something. F2. Using F1 and F2 key. You got it?
Yeah.
So you have to first power off the machine and then
Mm-hmm.
power on again. And the moment you power on, when you see your Lenovo logo,
Logo. Yeah.
you keep pressing F1 and F2 together. Okay, keep pressing multiple times. Okay, then it will
Right.
take you to the BIOS. And then how to enable VTX in Lenovo BIOS. Lenovo BIOS. You need to go to turn off F2 and F1, okay, and then go to arrow key configuration tab. Okay, you can't use mouse. You will have to use the arrow key, up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow. Okay,
Right.
So configuration key and then or sometimes security tab. Okay. You can take a photo of this one on your mobile and look at this and then look at the Intel VTX or virtualization technology and enable that one. You need to enable the virtualization technology basically and then save the changes by pressing F10 and restart the machine.
Right.
So do this and come back and join this session.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Yeah.
Okay, you restarted.
Yes, I've done it.
Okay, now power on the machine, and you have to be quick to press any key on the keyboard. Yeah, click inside now. Click inside. Click. Now keep pressing any key. Very good. Next, install now. Click on
Right.
I do not have a product key. Choose the
Which
second
one?
last one.
So, okay.
Okay, and click on next.
First option.
Second option. Okay, so this is going to build the machine. Okay, now while it is building the machine, we have to do something else. Let's go back to the notepad again. Point number 4. Next point is purchase domain from GoDaddy. Now, why do we need a domain? Do you know what is a domain,
Yeah.
Shekhar?
Yes.
Yeah, so domain is your is like your digital identity, right?
Yeah. It's required for the website hosting and all that.
So website, or suppose you have to create your email, you need a domain.
Yeah.
So the create our when we take the subscription from Microsoft 365 subscription we are going to take. So we will get .onmicrosoft.com domain. On Microsoft is okay, but we want our own domain, personal domain. Okay.
Right.
So where you are working in HCL, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So HCL will give HCL.com domain to their employees. They will not give .onmicrosoft.com. Suppose they are creating email address for you, Shekhar, or for Kashif. So
Yeah.
they will give Kashif at HCL.com or Kashif at HCL.co.in rather
Right.
than kashif.onmicrosoft.com.
Right.
So we need a domain. Okay. So
Mhm.
let's, can you go back to Google Chrome browser? Hmm. Okay. Now here we will go to GoDaddy. Now GoDaddy is a domain registrar that will help you to take domains. Okay. Now you can search any domain of your choice. So for example, Sheikh, can you type in your name, please? It's double S, Shaker.com, or any domain of your choice. Let's see if that is available. I don't think that com is available. Maybe something else is available. Why it is coming in pound?
Yeah.
Hmm?
I'm connected to the office network. That's why.
Oh, you are connected to the office network right now? No. So GoDaddy.com India. We want India one. No, not
Then
.uk.
I'm gonna
1 minute. IN. Uh-huh.
it
Still
won't
the
let you because I'm gonna network on the yeah peer to peer. P2P, that's why.
okay. Um. Okay.
Do this. I can do it on my phone if you want. Also.
Uh, so search any domain, for example, HCL.com. That is already taken by HCL company. So you cannot
Yeah.
take that one. So you have to search something else. Okay. So
Yeah.
for example, HCL blog, HCL club, HCL shop. But take the cheapest one, which will cost you like 87 rupees or maximum 150 rupees. You know,
Okay.
don't take the expensive one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. In that case, I have to pay also, right?
Yeah. So that's take the cheapest one, which will cost you like less than 200 rupees. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
What domain are you searching? Let me share my screen. Huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
What domain are you searching?
I'm just trying to get any.
Huh?
What can I? Okay. Can you suggest any name of the domain?
Any domain. Okay. So any domain. Try mcl.com. Let's see. mcl.com is already taken, but if I scroll down, I have this scroll down. Or probably FCL.
Go there,
You see this one. I see this one. The mcl.shop, 86 rupees. Hmm?
Yeah. Okay.
The MCL, 86 rupees. Okay. You want me to proceed here?
Just trying to do it on my own. There was one
Okay.
GoDaddy account
Oh,
which
you
I
already
was
have. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Try that.
trying to log into it. I'm not able to get the password of it. Just a minute.
No. Okay. Or you can log in with Google. No?
Earlier, I was working with the on my project actually, the organic mart. So I had that domain in my GoDaddy account. Let's see
Okay.
if it is working. Trying to repurchase it. Will it work, right? Any domain name you need.
Any domain.
Yeah. It was showing less amount when I purchased it. Now it is showing me 1,000.
1,000.
Yeah.
Maybe you have added some more services.
No, it's not there. Only the domain is there.
Do one thing on your computer. Change the Wi-Fi to your hotspot. So then probably it will go to India one.
Let me, in that case, I have to stop the sharing and all. Give me just give me the control.
What happened?
Is it stop sharing now?
You need to share your screen.
Need to restart, I think. Okay.
Did you share your screen?
I'm just trying to get into GoDaddy.com.
First, you need to connect to your Wi-Fi.
Do I have to restart the machine or what? It's not changing the website.
Not changing.
Yeah. I have to close the browser at least. Let's see. Okay.
Try in different browser.
It is showing, still showing in UK itself. It's on the India website. Why is it showing in pound?
Hmm?
Pound sterling. No, I'm in India website, but it's showing me in pound. Cannot change the currency. Uh, where to change the currency on this website? Pound second. Are you able to understand? I'm saying GoDaddy India it is showing, but the currency is still showing in.
Pound.
Yeah, able to change it. Ooh. Order state is showing in INR, but it's not letting me purchase the new domain.
Share your screen. Share your screen. Did you share? Have you shared?
Yeah, I'm trying to do it.
Rejoin the session. Okay, yeah, I can see it. Okay, so you close this browser. Okay, open command prompt with admin, run as administrator. Now type in ipconfig space slash
Yeah.
slash flush DNS. Flush DNS. You have connected to the hotspot?
Yeah, it is, but I'm still on the VPN with that. I cannot.
Still on the VPN. Why?
Yeah. Means I have my process going on, so I cannot
Oh,
disconnect it right now.
okay, okay. Well, then leave it as it is. Don't do it. Cancel this. I mean, close this.
Okay. Or probably I'll buy it later and then I
Later on.
can. Yeah.
Close it.
It's
Okay, let's
showing.
see the
I don't know why it is showing in this.
because you have taken two domains.
Yeah.
You
No,
have to
but it's showing the amount in pound. It is showing the last we have purchased in INR. But now it is not letting me change.
you have already purchased domains.
Because earlier, it means 2 years back, not
You have that
right.
domain? Is that
No,
expired or?
I don't. It's expired actually.
Oh,
That's what I wanted to renew it, but it's not letting
uh,
me renew it.
okay. Which domain have you chosen?
Uh, Yes, theorganicmart.com or .in.
So below you have chosen, delete that, this one, delete. Okay. And then full domain turn off. Okay. It's now 10 pound. 10 pound is also expensive, no?
Yeah,
Say
but it's
1000.
not letting me change this thing. Yeah, that's what the problem is. Why it is? Okay, okay, no problem. I'll do it later.
Mm. Okay, do it later on. Okay. Now let's do one thing. Go to, okay, so the machine is ready now. Okay,
Okay,
machine is ready. Now let's go next.
should I click on yes? Reason
Yes,
is
yes, yes again. Skip. Mm.
Kashyap, can we manage the servers also with Intune, or is it like only the workstations we are managing?
Only workstation.
Okay. And for servers, we are still using SCCM in the environment.
Yes.
Are you going to show us how to connect between SCCM and Intune or in this
No,
course?
no, that is going to be the theory part, not the practical, because for that
We
we
need
need
servers.
SCCM server, and that needs minimum like 16 GB extra RAM you need to have to build server. Three servers we need. We need primary side, database, domain controller, okay,
Yeah.
which is not easy. Now, let's take a snapshot of the machine. So right click on NOIWVM and then choose snapshot and then choose take a snapshot and type in blank machine. Take snapshot. Okay, so this is going to be the backup in case if something goes wrong,
Yeah.
we can come back to this stage anytime in the future.
Right. Which option should I choose? Setup for personal use?
No, first you have to, uh, yeah, let's click on personal use. Click on offline account. Choose limited experience. And now type in the name who is going to use the computer. So you type any name like local account, offline account. We are not using offline online account. Hmm. Type in, you can type in your name as well, Shekhar. Hmm.
Yeah. Just go down.
password. Confirm password. Accept. Skip. Not now. Okay. So this is now setting up your device. Okay. So you're logged in with the local account.
Yeah.
Understood? Now we have to enroll personal device and corporate device, okay, in our environment. Okay, so this is my personal computer. So we will build one more machine, and that is going to be a corporate device. Okay,
Okay.
so let's power off this machine because both machine I don't think you will be able to run simultaneously. So power off. Power off. Now let's build. Click on file again. Let me do it. So you give me control, please. So we'll build one more machine, new virtual machine, and then next, and then next, and then next. And this is gonna be NOIW VM002. Okay, and this is going to be our um, corporate device. So C drive and then Intune. Let's create a new folder altogether. It's gonna be 2. Okay.
Yeah.
So the new machine is now assembled, we have to give 4 GB of RAM to this computer. Then CD DVD drive, we will add the CD image. Where it is located, can you connect that one?
Uh,
Data. Okay, so that is done. Then we go to option, shared folder, map network drive, add, and then same process what we followed in the last session, I mean last machine. What was that password? Welcome. Type in.
Welcome. W cap.
Can you type in there?
W.
Okay.
Right.
Encrypt. Then advanced secure boot.
Yeah.
Now, when you power on this machine, same process you have to follow, right?
Yeah.
You have to click inside and then press any key. So let's click inside, and press any key. Uh, So we will be enrolling one personal device and one corporate device. Let's click on next. Install now. I do not have a product key. Choose that one. Windows 10 Pro. Next. Accept the license terms and condition. Next. Second option. Next. Okay, now it is building up a new machine. Okay, clear?
Right.
So it is going to take some time. Can you go
Mhm.
back to the notepad? Okay, so build two machines. Basically, we have to build two new Windows 10 computer. One for BYOD, personal,
Yeah.
and the other one for corporate, COD, corporate. Okay, one for personal and the other one is for corporate use. Okay, so domain purchase you will do it later on. Okay,
Yeah.
so basically we also have taken snapshot, which you have to do that. Take snapshot of the machine, of the virtual machine, of the virtual machines. Okay, do you Okay, let's minimize this. So it's gonna take some time to get the machine ready. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Do you also have time in weekdays
Uh,
or just
it
weekend?
depends on the time. Depends on the time. If you want, I
Morning
can.
8 to 9?
Morning I don't have because I work in the shift, so it's always in the evening or in the night itself. I do work.
What time your work starts?
7 shift starts from 7, or
Morning.
if it is late, then if it is late, no, in the evening, or if it is late, then I have to go there by 10 or 11 o'clock in the night.
Okay.
So I can connect with you if you are doing in weekdays, means after 2 o'clock or something. If you have any batches going on after 2, it will be
After
easier
2
for
p.m.
me. Means
After 2 p.m. Huh?
yes,
2:30? That is okay?
2:30 India time. Yeah, that will be okay. No problem.
2:30 to 4 o'clock?
4 o'clock. Okay.
2:30 to 4 o'clock?
2:30. Okay, it will do. No problem.
Okay, fine.
So moving this batch to weekdays one.
I was thinking to do the weekend, but looks like other people are not interested in this
Mhm.
batch. So probably they will
Okay.
join from next weekend. So what I was thinking is to put you in this 2:30 batch,
Yeah.
2:30 to 4 o'clock daily basis.
Yeah. Means going run means are you going to go with the weekend one, or is it only be the weekdays one?
No, you join tomorrow, right?
Okay.
So tomorrow what we will do the session and I will make sure you come on the same page. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
We'll be on the same page. Okay.
Is it running parallelly, or it's
Which one?
the weekdays one?
Weekdays one is a little ahead.
Okay.
Okay, let's click on yes. Yes. Skip.
Tomorrow is Sunday. Are you going to run the batch tomorrow? Or
You are available or not available?
I'm available. I don't have any problem with that.
Huh?
Just asking. Just asking. You know, you're saying that on weekdays.
Yeah, you join tomorrow as well.
All right. Okay.
Choose setup for organization. Next. Now take a snapshot of this machine. Right click, snapshot, choose blank machine snapshot. Blank machine. Okay. Now let's create take the subscription, Intune subscription. Go to google.com. Google.com, not Microsoft.com, google.com. Now type in MS365 E3 free trial. Free trial. Hmm. Click on the first one which says Microsoft 365 E3 no teams. Huh? I think you have, it's not working. Go back to open the browser again.
Can I do it on the phone itself? Or it's the network issue? I won't let me go there.
Phone. Why it's not working on this one?
Probability restrictions might be there. I don't know. Microsoft E3 license. Do I have to give the payment details in that as well?
You have to give your credit card or debit card number. Okay, you can do it on your phone, or you can stop sharing on your device and do it. So, but you need to take the free trial one. Okay.
Yeah. Do I have
Mm.
to do it right now?
So when you are done today, so tomorrow we can start doing the enrollment of the
Okay.
devices.
So it's required. Okay.
Hmm.
Great. So I have to purchase the domain and the
I will give you the link. Okay.
E3 link of what?
E3,
E3. Okay.
Microsoft 365 E3 free trial, and
Okay.
this is the Microsoft link. Oh, it's running slow today. I don't know why. I got it. So you have to um so right click and copy link address, and then I'm gonna send to you Microsoft 365 E3 free trial, right? So I gave it to you on WhatsApp. Okay, that's the
All right.
Microsoft website. You need to take the free trial,
Okay.
uh, free trial subscription. But during that subscription, it makes sure. Have you taken the subscription before?
I don't remember. No, I don't think so.
Okay, so enter Gmail, email address, phone number, and your payment details. It will not charge you anything. It's free of cost. The only thing is it's for verification purpose.
Okay.
But my message did not reach you. I don't know whether WhatsApp is off or what. Internet on the device.
Working fine. Call. It's go.microsoft.com, right?
Yeah, the website link which I have given to you.
Yeah, I've received it
Mm.
on WhatsApp. It says enter your work or school email address. Do we need
Mm.
Public domain won't work in this or what?
Public domain. Sorry.
Microsoft 365 E3, it is asking me to give my email address, but says that enter your work or school email address.
Type in your Gmail ID.
All right. It is asking for company name as well.
Sorry.
It's asking for company name as well.
Company name. You can type in Shaker Private Limited. Anything. Or
Anything, right?
the domain which you were planning to take. The
Okay.
Mart something. I don't remember. So that domain name.
No, it's one person.
But make a note of the username and password when it is ready.
Yeah.
When you have created your subscription. Okay.
It's giving everything. It's asking, does your company have a website? No.
No.
It's asking for enter your PAN registration number.
You have to
So
give
we
your
have to give
PAN.
that.
Yes. Okay. You get your account ready.
Yeah.
Okay. And we'll meet tomorrow. Okay. But make a note
Same
of your
time.
email address and password when the account is ready. You will get email ID and password.
Okay.
Make sure you remember. Make a note of that Intune account somewhere. Okay.
Right.
We'll meet tomorrow. Okay. So these are the things which we have done.
Sure.
Okay. You
No problem.
send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay.
The username or what?
No, no, this one. The notes.
Notes.
Today's
Okay.
notes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. 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 I'll share
Okay.
with you.
Bye now.
Right. Thanks. Thanks for your time. Take care. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.